So up until now, we've just kind of been dealing with the Snaps tab here. Let's dive into the Maps tab. What I've done is I went on to the city's website and I grabbed what I could as far as a map goes. And so you can see here, maps are optional flat images or 3D models. For this one, we're just going to do a flat image. So I'm going to go new map, and I'm going to go over here and drag this guy in. And I'm just going to name this Peace Bridge map. And so now it's uploaded. You can see here there's a little map icon showing me that it is, yes, a map. And I can click it. And I am warped into what looks very similar to the 360 editor, except we're now in flat image land. And so we have a limited number of options because this is a map. It's not a full snap, as we call them. So if I go into edit and I click add, we can add point hotspots. And these are hotspots that you can place just like any other point hotspot. I'm going to put one probably right here because that's where approximately our photo was taken. And I get the familiar slide open that says, okay, well, jump to snap. That's what you can do in maps. They navigate you around snaps. So I'm going to select my demo group and I will say this is the, I don't know, we'll do the high example for this one. And I can manage the start point so we can have it looking, right at the bridge. And so this is looking towards the bridge, which means I probably want to move this guy right about there. So now we're looking at the bridge. And so I can click save. And if I go to the low one here, you'll notice now there's a new icon called maps. So SeekBeak has detected that yes, there are some maps and it's going to show me the maps. And here it is, the Peace Bridge map with our hotspot. And you can move it around. You can zoom in, scale it, reset it, close it, and well, use it, navigate. So I click this. Poof, we're warped to whatever snap we had set that to, okay? Now, in this case, we actually really only have one area that we can go to, right? We have this one area, it's just kind of our altitude. So I could do something, like put two in here, maybe have one as an up arrow and one as a down arrow. But what would be really nice is if there was some way that we could kind of click and go and navigate around that. But that would mean that we would have to have some other photos or some sort of 3D model to do that. So let's take a look in the next video.